Well, howdy and hi there, friends and neighbors. Welcome back to the Folks Kitchen. So today on Hunt, Kill, Cook, and Eat, what we're going to do is we're going to smoke a turkey. And we're going to do this a little special. What I want to do is I want to bone it out completely, and then we're going to wrap it, we're going to truss it, and we're going to put it on the smoker, and then we're going to eat that thing. Alright? So, first thing we're going to do is get a thawed turkey. This one is sat out overnight. We're going to cut it down the backbone, and then pick one side, left side, right side, really doesn't matter. Pick one side, and you're just going to start slowly just getting the meat away from the bones, alright? And we'll go down completely down that side, separating the wing and then separating the thigh. And then once we get it all laid out, we'll go back and do the other side. Once the main carcass has been removed from the turkey, then we'll go ahead and we'll bone out the wing and the leg and the thigh. But alright, let's go. Alright, so the biggest part right here, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull out the bones from the wings and from the thighs and the legs. To make that a lot easier, go ahead and separate the actual, I guess, wing portion from the carcass. The little wing tips and all that, you don't need it. I already did this side. What we're going to do here is go ahead and find that thigh bone. Thigh bone where it met the carcass. We're going to go ahead and just kind of follow that up. And we're just going to bone it out. Just take your time, work around the bone, and that's all you need. Alright, welcome back. Sorry about the camera change. We had a slight technical issue with the battery life of the Sony. Imagine that. What I did in the meantime is I got it all completely laid out. I got it seasoned. And put whatever you want on there. If you want it spicy, put some good spice on there. If you just want it sweet, put sweet. If you want it to taste like garlic, put garlic on it. It's really that simple. Now what we're going to do is we're going to roll it up. We're going to tie it with some butcher's twine, and we're going to get it on the smoker. And then we're going to get on it. Now, you could also do this like a pumpkin. Let me show you that real quick. See if I can remember how to do this. It isn't gorgeous yet, but it will be. Had it set at 225 originally, then once the temp got up to about 151-ish, bumped it down to 180 because we were actually at an international swim meet, and I wasn't here to be able to, take care of it. But it's done. We're going to go ahead and pull it off. For anybody wondering what kind of wood we used, we had cherry left over from the leg of hog, and I put some apple in on top of that, so it's half cherry, half apple. Alright, well here we go. This is pretty much the finished product. Look at that right there. Go home.